working with sheet metal parts in SOLIDWORKS, you sometimes find that the flat pattern is larger than what's possible in your workshop. For instance, the flat pattern is 5000, but the maximum length of your plates is 3000. Thankfully, it is easy to split your sheet metal parts into multiple bodies. First, you need to find out where you want the plate to be separated. Keep in mind that it needs to be welded together in the workshop afterwards. Next, start a sketch and draw a line on that location. Find the split command. It's in the mold menu. Select the line you just created and press Cut Part. Select the bodies you want to keep, name them, or press Auto Assign Names. If you want to have two flat patterns in the original part, uncheck Consume Bodies. Press OK. You now have two individual parts that can be converted into sheet metal parts. Or you can just use the original flat pattern.